Ruhonge rwa TRA ruria ruri na wigiriki wa kuramata mikawa o undu umwe na nyumba cia gendi iria ni hamwe na AirBnB rugite muriugo wa kuhitana na aria maratwarithia na mbere biacara icio matari na marua maria magiriire ni irathie na mbere kona ciothe cia bururi. Kuringana na murugamiriri munene ruhonge-ini ruru NORBERT TALAM, gukinyiria riu onjoria 8,000 nio mandikithitie biacara ciao na makaheo marua ni thirikari kuria namba ya aria mateyandikithitie irugameire makiria ma 50,000.
Just know your days are numbered and we are coming for you. Please stop operating an illegal business. We are here to support you. Register with us. Once you register, we will license you, and once we license you, you will be having every right to do your business.
TALAM augite mari maitho kung'ethanira na aria marathie mugaru na watho agikinyiriria ati kwiyandikithia kuu gugukorwo gugiteithiriria ugitiri wa kuigana kuri andu aria mekinyagia nyumba-ini icio.
We are anticipating to register in the next 1 to 2 months around 20 to 25,000, and the entire participant in this sector as far as these short-term accommodation facilities are concerned, we are talking to the region of 40 to 50,000.
Thengia noguo utonga ruhonge-ini rwa ugendi ni utanyitwo kwambatira kungikinya onjoria cio ni megwitikira kwiyandikithia.
If there are certain touristic attractions that may require roads for them to be accessed, or may require water, or may require electricity, then we shall be able to reach out to the relevant government ministries that will come and offer that, so that whatever touristic attraction you have is opened up for the world to be able to see.
Atongoria aya maritie mari kaunti-ini ya Murang'a hindi ya gutuga ene mikawa matiganite kuma gicigo-ini kia Mount Kenya kuria meraniire kuheana mathomo kuri onjoria nyumba-ini cia AirBnB megemaine na mirutire ya wira.
Sisi kama No Crash Group of Hotels tuna offer different activities kama water sports, tuna offer ziplining, tuna offer accommodation and conferencing.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.